people, welcome to my channel, Cheers World. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by once again. As you all know, 25th December is a very big day. It's Jesus' birthday. So we are prepping for Xmas. I did a lot of cooking. So I thought of sharing the cooking with you people, to see what I cooked on Christmas Day. So stay tuned, let's go. The chicken that you just say, I marinated the chicken. So I spiced the chicken, cook it and put in the oven. I didn't want to fry, okay. But when I put in the oven, I had to add salt. So this is my pepper soup. I made pepper soup as well. Okay, I'm going to leave, I'm going to, do the pepper soup video separately so you can watch how I made my Christmas pepper soup. This pepper soup is a top notch, guys. So afterwards, like, I shifted the pepper soup. Now I'm making jollof rice. Okay, I made jollof coconut jollof rice. That's what I made. So I made coconut jollof rice. So fry the tomato paste, adding the scotch bonnet pepper, no, the sweet pepper, yeah. So this is now my coconut milk. I use already made the coconut milk. Okay, here is the pepper soup again because I have to be switching in between. Okay, so the pepper soup now is ready. I need to shift it and bring back the tomato. So my partner came here and told me that I needed to eat soup, not this again. So I prepared soup. I prepared the egusi. After preparing the egusi, I had to remove the egusi from the pot and put in the plate to fridge it. So now I've continued cooking my rice. So it's not easy. I keep on switching in between. But at the end of the day, everything was successful. Okay, the rice now is ready. So now I made beetroot salad. I didn't leave the complete video of the beetroot salad, but later on I'm going to post it. Just stay tuned. Now the rice is ready. I finished cooking the rice. So what did I make? I made pepper soup. I made coconut jollof rice. I made a whiskey soup. I did chicken. I made beetroot salad. So look at all the things I prepped for 25th December for Jesus' birthday. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, guys. You know it's not good. It's not easy to cook. Encourage me. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.